Hey guys, no voiceover or anything. I'm just gonna do my Trader Joe's and Smart and Final grocery haul. My total came to $311 even. I spent $111 at Trader Joe's, which is this side over here, and then I spent $200 even over at Smart and Final. I'm in Southern California, so we have a Smart and Final here, which is like a big box store. You can buy things in bulk or individually. It's not better than Costco, but this week they had pretty good sales. So I think I'll start at Trader Joe's. So Trader Joe's, I did get these, I'll try to focus. I got 3 bags of tri-colored bell peppers, just so I don't, when I don't feel like peeling. I have a fire roasted bell pepper. I got the Korean style short ribs. I've never tried these before, but I heard good reviews, along with this chimichurri rice from Trader Joe's. I decided to pick up a jar of Alfredo sauce. I've never found an Alfredo sauce in the jar that I like, so I'm willing to give it a try. I picked up these oatmeal raisin cookies and this dip that we've already tried. It's spinach sour cream dip from Trader Joe's, and my kids ate them with the tomato soup crackers. And back over here, I have mashed cauliflower. I've never tried it, so we're gonna give that a shot. Roasted corn. We have the vegetable fried rice, thumbs up in our book. We love it. The orange chicken and the barbecue teriyaki chicken. I've never tried that. And we also have the chicken chow mein that we're going to try this time. We have had this orange chicken several times. And like I said, thumbs up for us. Now, I have this colorful organic cauliflower. Never had it, but my 11-year-old wants to try it. We have some spinach, broccoli, and more broccoli. These are, some of them are organic, some are not. And I also picked up this Trader Joe's salsa verde. It's over in the aisle where you find the chips, but I'm going to try it with some pork. And I found a slow cooker recipe that I'll put up. I'll try it and I'll post it for you guys if it's a win. I picked up this chicken pot pie, which I've never tried at Trader Joe's. Also, what do we have? The mini chicken tacos, and I picked up the mini beef tacos. And for the kids, some white cheddar popcorn. This is like the Pirate's Booty popcorn. And some veggie sticks, and the sour cream and onion kind as well. So that's it for Trader Joe's. I'm trying to speed through this. No need in taking forever. Now for Smart and Final. I got this chicken fajita. It's just white meat chicken. Should be easy to throw into a recipe. Oh, let me start here. Big bag for like $3. Diced onions. I use the bell pepper and onions. If I buy them frozen, I don't have to worry about chopping. So I have 2 big bags of that with the chicken, frozen green beans. I have pepper, mustard, mayo, some peanut butter, jelly, ketchup, and large onion powder, because I live for onion powder. Now I have bread, a large package of English muffins, and a 24-pack of hamburger buns that we're going to use with these chicken patties. 22 come in a pack back there. I don't know if you see it right over. Where's my camera? Okay, right there. So we have the buns for that. I have flour tortillas and corn tortillas. I picked up a Rocky Road ice cream. They're on sale. 2 for $5. Almond breeze for my daughter. And some of these sparkling ices and a store brand one that slipped in there from Costco. I don't know. My children had put everything up. And then I said, wait, let's do a haul. So they pulled out one of the Costco ones. But anyways, back to the haul. I have some cheese slices. These are on sale at Smart and Final. I have this bag of Mexican blend cheese. Now, this was the deal of the day. Large roll of ground beef. I got 2 of them. That is 10 pounds total. Each one was about $9, about $10 each. So I picked up some ribeye steaks and some pork. This one I'm going to use for the green salsa that I showed you. These are Jenny O ground turkeys, but in order to make it fit in my freezer, we took off the package, and I'm going to cook up most of the ground turkey along with, separately, I'm going to cook up most of the ground beef with the onions and bell pepper, and then I'll freeze them and in individual bags. So they'll be pretty much ready for any meal that I want to make. Like if I want to make tacos or something or spaghetti, I can just pull out a bag. So I'll bring you guys along for that as well. This is heavy. This pork shoulder roast is on sale as well. And you see the price? $9.30. This thing is huge. So we're going to make pulled pork. And what else? I have these potatoes were on sale. So I got tater tots, the crinkle cut, and the straight cut. So that's pretty much the entire haul. This was, again, it was $311 even. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.